Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to disable TikTok viewer history and adjust your privacy settings. TikTok has a viewer history feature that can show you certain information about profile visits and video views.
Depending on your settings, your activity may also be visible to other users who have the relevant feature enabled.
If you want more control over this, you can turn the feature off. So, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner to open your profile.
Now, look at the top right corner. Depending on your TikTok version, you may see a profile view or viewer history icon.
Tap on it to open the relevant viewer history section. Look for the settings or gear icon in the top right corner. Tap it, and you should see an option related to profile view history or viewer history. Turn the switch off. If you don't see the option there, there's another way to access the setting. Go back to your TikTok profile and tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll through the available options and look for the privacy settings related to views or profile views. Open the relevant option and turn off the available viewer history setting. Keep in mind that TikTok's menus and available features can change depending on your app version, account, and region. Once you've changed the setting, you can go back to your profile. And that's how you can manage and disable TikTok viewer history when the option is available on your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching.